What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets airport update of Colorado Springs Airport. I hope you guys are excited for this upload, and let's dive straight into it. Starting off with our runway, we have this United Boeing 737-800 split scimitar winglets, which will be departing for a flight out to Denver. Heading over to the taxiway, we have this gorgeous Southwest Boeing 737-700. This is in the new livery, of course, and we'll be doing a flight out to Denver. Southwest Airlines does not have a officially booked routes out of Colorado Springs, but starting in March, they will have 5 new routes out of Colorado Springs. So Southwest Airlines is doing some test flights around here just to make sure everything is smooth and running perfectly. Right here we have an unexpected visitor here at Colorado Springs, which is the United 777-300ER, just loading on a certain team. I'm unaware of the team, but it was doing a flight from Colorado Springs to Chicago ORD with some sort of sports team on board, and they used a United 777-300 to do the charter flight. So this will be heading out to ORD. Starting off at the terminal, here we have a United Express, Bombardier, or Mitsubishi, whatever you want to call it, CRJ 200. This is just getting fuel and passengers loaded onto the aircraft before it does a flight out to Chicago O'Hare. Right here we have another United Express CRJ 200 or Mitsubishi CRJ 200. This just arrived in from Los Angeles and is getting the passengers offloaded as well as the cargo. Then we have a United Express Embraer E175. This just pulled into the gate from Los Angeles as well and is now getting the passengers offloaded and getting prepared for another flight out to Chicago ORD. Then right here we have the only air stairs in this airport update. This is actually a double gate, so they have one jetway that is shared by 2 gates. Right now they're using the air stairs to load the passengers on for a flight all the way out to Chicago ORD. Then right here we have a United Express Embraer CRJ 700, which will be doing a flight out to Denver. As you can see, it is getting loaded on with passengers and the fuel is getting put into the wing of the aircraft. Right here we have a Frontier Airbus A321, just getting some catering as well as cargo and baggage loaded onto the aircraft before it does a flight out to Orlando, and it arrived in from Phoenix. Right here we have a Frontier Airbus A320 Neo, which is in the Bluebird livery. Currently getting passengers, catering, and the cleaning crew are boarding the aircraft before it does a flight to Orlando, and it arrived in from Las Vegas. Then we have a American Boeing 737-800, just getting fueled and service done to the aircraft before a flight out to Dallas-Fort Worth. Currently the American Embraer E175 and the 737-800 are operating the Dallas-Fort Worth route. Right here we have a Delta Connection CRJ 700 or Mitsubishi CRJ 700, which will be doing a flight out to Salt Lake City, and it also arrived in from Salt Lake City. Currently the Salt Lake City route is operated on a CRJ 200. The last passenger aircraft in this airport update is the Delta 737-800, just getting catering and fuel loaded on before it does a flight out to Atlanta in about an hour and a half. They're just finishing boarding on passengers and checking out the engine and cockpit for mechanical problems before they depart. Starting off at the cargo center, we have a FedEx Boeing 757 freighter, which will be doing a flight out to Grand Junction in about 30 minutes. They're just loading on the pilots as well as some final cargo. Then right here we have a private Boeing 737-800 freighter, just getting some service done to the aircraft, and will be doing a flight out to Fort Lauderdale. that does conclude today's airport update of Colorado Springs Airport. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more aviation content like this. I do have a little bit of news before I end the video. I have been working on my room quite a bit pertaining to the airport and aviation in general, and I have been working on a new shelf to put all my 1-200 models on display. I've also been working on the Denver airport and getting the foam and wood necessary to start painting and getting the equipment to build the rest of the airport. Also, my flight to Hawaii has been changed once again. It got changed and then we decided we didn't like the change, so we changed it again. If that makes any sense. But we are now flying 2 777s non-stop from Denver to Honolulu, which I am very excited about because making stops and going to different gates is such a hassle. I'm very excited to be flying non-stop, and I'd like to thank United for making that possible. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your day or night wherever you live, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.